factory wheels presence.
We must finalize the chassis design immediately.
I need the updated schematics for the 917.
The polymerization process is stable. The molecular bond is exactly where it needs to be for the stress load.
The suspension on this one is running solid pipes, not the mandated springs.
Yes, noted. And that monocoque chassis is completely bare.
Fuel the number 12 car, now.
The track is wet, Joe. Take it easy for the first few laps. We need this finish. That move was completely unacceptable. You endangered both of us.
I disagree. I saw an opening and I took it. You would have done the same.
That's the Kurtzek profile. Spot on. Decades of speed in this shape. It's beautiful work. Okay, tighten that side. It's tight, move to the rivets. Watch your hands.
The wind tunnel smoke highlights the brutal efficiency of the chop tail, channeling the air to create maximum downforce.
We finally won Le Mans!
You're doing 240, keep it steady, Jack. The rain is holding off for now.
And that's the lead. Keep it up. Great driving.
Look at the size of that thing. It's ridiculous.
I know, painted like a butcher's chart. I love it.
No more 5-litre engines.
Watch the bow wave! That Porsche better be strapped down tight.
A perfect fit. This high-performance unit will take this engine to a whole new level.
Green light, push it hard now. Copy that, feeling the grip.
Unbelievable start by the Porsche. He's cleared the field before the first turn.
An empty track. a setting sun. It truly is the end of an era.
Careful with that stack.
The measurements are perfect. Move them to the staging area.
Lift it up.
42 kilograms, perfect. Oil pressure looks good. Bring her up to 5,000 RPM.
Absolutely beautiful. The timing is flawless.
Okay, smooth this section here. Make sure there are no air bubbles before the resin sets.
The gloss on this section is exceptional.
Agreed, the flow rate is perfect.
Watch the clearance on cylinder 4.
Clear. Bring up the torque wrench. Set to 150.
Good click. That's the last one. She's ready. Beautiful. The balance feels perfect.
We have a slight anomaly on the exhaust gas temperature, bank 2.
It's stabilized. The new mapping is holding strong. Peak power confirmed.
The chase continues through the blue hour. Maximum braking approaching turn 4.
Right rear clear. Get the fuel hose out. Let's go, let's go.
The visibility is almost 0. I'm struggling for grip in turn 3.
We did it. You were incredible out there, absolutely incredible.
This is the Porsche 917, a machine so perfect, it redefined the very concept of racing legacy.
They said it couldn't last forever. Perhaps they were right.
Like and subscribe to Factory Wheels for more untold stories. Porsche 917, the monster that conquered the world.